This 2025 Dutchmen Kodiak Ultra-Lite Ultra-Lite 332 BHSL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchmen is 37 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 11, leveling jacks, external shower, air conditioning, refrigerator, oven, spare tire kit, awning, slide-out, skylight, stovetop burner, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Dutchmen Kodiak Ultra-Lite Ultra-Lite 332 BHSL is 7,157 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.